My name's Todd, and I work at Rowley's Red Barn, which is a part of Rowley Southridge Farms.
I'm Jace Rowley. I also work mostly in the barn. We're actually fourth generation fruit farmers. So our great-grandfather was the one that started here in Utah and left that legacy for us to carry on.
Well, one thing that we really like is we get to work together as a family. We like each other, and we get to work with our children, we get to work with our father. Yeah, we do like to keep our kids busy. I mean, they work together, they're with each other, you know, they become good friends with each other, and we think that's important. So our farm is spread out in there's quite a few miles in between different areas, but we do grow a lot of fruit, 20 miles away from here, which is in a remote area where we can't get signal on our cell phones very easily. And when we do, it's kind of spotty.
Communication is important to us on our farm because, whether we're coordinating workers or jobs, we need to be able to talk to each other. And it's also a safety thing when we're out on the farm to be able to get help if we need it.
It's the whole philosophy of starting something from a seed and seeing it come to fruition, something that you can eat or sell.
When I think to work in agriculture, you have to be passionate about what you do, and we are. We're passionate about growing sustainable, local, delicious fruit that our community can enjoy, the other communities in Utah can enjoy, and it's our passion. It's what we love to do.